Hello and welcome to another edition of 31 Days of Halloween. Grab your spooky supplies and let's do it. Take your ball of red clay and form it into an apple shape. The top will need to be larger than the bottom. Make the tips of the X go up the apple slightly. Poke a hole in the top of the apple. To make the apple stem, take a piece of brown clay, make one end come to a point and the other end flattened. And place this in the hole at the top of the apple. To make the leaf, take a piece of green clay, flatten it into a teardrop shape. Then use a needle tool to make your leaf lines. And then place this on top of the apple. Place a very long eye hook stem into the top of the apple. Repeat all steps with the second apple. Bake your apples. To make the chocolate glaze, use some satin or gloss glaze, and then add some chalk pastels to it. The more chalk pastel you use, the darker and richer the color. Be sure to mix it thoroughly. You know you'll have it mixed thoroughly when it's no longer chalky or clumpy. Use a toothpick to apply the chocolate glaze to your apple. Start from the bottom of the leaf tip and work your way to the bottom of the apple. After the chocolate glaze has dried, resin your pieces. Assemble your earrings. All you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And your delicious red chocolate dipped apples are done. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I post videos twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. And for the month of October, I will be posting 31 videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!